Hello, in this short video I will talk about the YieldWatch project and how you can use it to monitor earnings from farming and providing liquidity. The project itself is a wallet monitoring, where you can see the balance of the wallet and in which farming pools this wallet participates. YieldWatch can view the balances of not all services, and the entire list of projects supported for monitoring is indicated on the main page here. In the future this list will be increased. The project has its own watch token, which is used for the Pro version. We just need to have this token at a ratio of 1 to 200 of our dollar amount for full access to all information. For example, if you have $1,000 on your balance, then you must have at least $5 in watch coin in your wallet. We will consider with an active Pro version. On the main page, enter the address of your wallet and see the distribution of our assets as a percentage between services. In my case, of all the pools, I use Beefy Finance, so the main share is there. All active pools from those available where we participate are displayed just below. For example, I use Cake token staking, provide liquidity in a pair of BNB and TVT tokens and farm pots on Moonpot. Here you can see what the deposit was, how much was earned and what percentage of earnings per day. The annual percentage of return is also indicated. Everything is immediately translated at the current exchange price to the dollar. To view detailed information, click here. Here in more detail it is indicated how much we contributed in total, how much was withdrawn, the current value, how much was earned and the payback. The transactions indicate when we made a deposit or withdrawal, in what quantity and at what price. Also, it all comes down to the dollar price, and if desired we can view the transaction itself on BSC scan. For LP tokens in farming the information is displayed differently. Here information is shown for two tokens and general information of the pool around the world. On the right we can see the current price for tokens in this pool, the average price of the deposit and the price change in percentage. The amount of impermanent loss and earnings from commissions when exchanged by other users in this pair of tokens are also indicated. Also in this button we can change the display for the LP token or individual tokens. In this case TVT or BNB separately. That's all. I hope the video was helpful and you learned something new. Thank you all for watching and bye to everyone.